Many of us are not poor. We are just being ripped off by these insurance premiums that we are paying. If we're not paying those premiums, we could have been far by now. Let me show you an example with my Polo that I bought in 2012. So I bought a Polo VW in 2012, and then the market value of the car was around 176,000, but my bank could only finance me up to 150,000 in 5 years. But I happened to settle the car in 3 years because I did not want any debt. But obviously, you can't take out a car without insurance. So over the duration of having this car, I've had insurance. So my insurance premium was around 600 rand, 650, sometimes 700. And I've been paying for insurance from 2012 until I decided to stop paying insurance in 2023. So it's been 11 years of paying insurance premiums, and I only claimed once in 2012 when the car was still around, I think, 3 months old, and the cost to repair the car, I think it was less than 20,000, plus I paid the excess as well. And then so the total contributions that I made during paying the insurance, it was around 85,800. But also remember that when we are paying this money over to the insurance is investing this money and making a return on it. So let's assume for this example that they are investing it and making 10%, which also I could have invested it and made the same 10% or even more or even less. And remember, when it's being invested, it is compounding. So monthly, it's going to be compounding. So it means after 11 years, this money is going to have accumulated interest of 69,459. Just imagine my money that has accumulated this much. And then it means that the future value of this amount in 11 years, it could have been 155,259. That's what I could have had in the bank had I invested, or wherever I would have invested if I had invested. But because this is insurance that we are dealing with, it means that if I stop paying the premiums, I'm no longer covered, even if something happens to the car. And it means that I can never get the cash. The money can never really be mine unless if the car maybe is written off or something. So imagine I paid the bank borrowed me 150,000, but I made the insurance companies around 155,000. That's like the value of the loan that I got from the bank. So sometimes we don't really see this picture. Yes, if your car happens to be written off, it is like a benefit. But if you are not going to claim during the duration of that of having that insurance, it's like a loss. It's money that could have earned you a lot of interest, but it doesn't get the opportunity to because you are allocating it elsewhere. So if you happen to like this kind of content, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also to hit the like button and also to leave your comments. Stay blessed.